May I ask you this question? Do you know how to rig biddings?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Chairman.
Do you think that this is the time that you should learn?
To institute the necessary reforms?
Yes. So thank you for getting it. Kasi I asked exactly the same question kay Secretary Bunoan. Halatang nagtitinginan sila ng mga USEC ng hindi nagtitinginan, hindi naman mukhang guilty to be fair, pero parang na-shock sa question ko tapos parang ayaw sagutin. But I told him this, in 1997 or 98, kaharap ko isang ministro. And I was shocked what he said kasi ministro nga so religious group, head ng malaking church, no? At least in our district. At sinabi niya sa akin, Alan, susuportahan ka namin as congressman, pero ang tanong ko sa inyo, marunong ka ba mandaya? And of course, I was shocked. Bakit mo tatanungin ko marunong ako